Hi Watchnets, today I'll be doing my first ever unboxing video. So lately I've been itching for a gold colored watch, and it's also one of my lucky colors this year, so I've been thinking, oh, why not just get one for myself. And I've opted for a Casio A700WG-9A, the gold version. And let's start the unboxing, see what's inside. Hopefully it's the right thing. I don't have to return it or get a new one. Okay, let's start. Here we go. Well, the box is the regular box that Casio box. It's unlike what I saw online, because usually people got it in a very vintagey box, so this is kind of a letdown. Well, here's the booklet, the warranty and stuff. So, well, look at this beautiful watch. Well, it's surprisingly dainty. It's not too big. Well, of course it's not too big. It's one of the slimmest model ever. Comes in a fairly disappointing box. I was hoping for a teen vintage Casio box, but I got this instead. So let's take this off. Alright. Here we go. Damn, I don't really know. Oh, here. You have to hook this on and clip this in. Right, let's have a look. Closer look. Here. Let's get rid of the name tag. And here we go. Wow, it's actually very light, unexpectedly light. I mean, this is actually, believe it or not, my first digital Casio. Let's peel off the stickers, have a look. Well, it's not set, so I'll be setting it, and I'll have an in-depth review of this watch, and hopefully you guys will tune in and have a good time with me. That's how it looks on my 6.25-inch wrist. It fits just beautifully on my wrist, and I think it'll go well with in any occasion at all. I mean, going out or going for a dinner, it fits just well. Look how thin it is. Really thin profile we have there. And the only thing I'd say I like if it's the same polishing for the case and the band, but yeah, we can't expect too much for a cheap, I won't say cheap in my country, it's affordable Casio watch. I mean, the gold is really good, the iron plating is unexpectedly good. This is actually like I said, my very first digital Casio, believe it or not, and it's really not disappointing me at all. I was so worried that the plating would be bad and it would come off like those cheap toys that we have. I mean, so far it looks really good. One of the problem is it took me some time to learn how to adjust the clasps right here. It's once you get it, but it's kind of hard at first. It took me a really long time. I was at one point thought that I broke the thing. Luckily I didn't. I had to stop the video just to look up how to adjust it, and yeah, once it fits in your wrist, it fits perfectly. It fits better than other clasps, I would say, though it's still very teeny. It's not very substantial, I guess, but it's actually really good. It's really light, and I think it'd go well with any occasion. except for, of course, deep dive. But that, you have something else for that. Well, that's it all for now, and check back for a full review of this watch after a few weeks. All right, bye watch nerds, and have a good day.